Let me share with you how I got my 123.4 pips on GBPUSD. Sorry for the best chirping and the cockroach, alright? I'm doing this recording outside of my house. So let's get to it. So initially, price was giving me a bullish trend over here. Price was giving me a bullish trend at this area. Sorry guys. It was giving me a bullish trend at this area. Later on, it pulled back to form what a downtrend at this area. Alright. So I was patiently waiting for my setup. Take note in trading. If you don't have patience to wait for your setup, man, you can't call yourself a trader. Alright, be patient. In trading, you need to be patient. Alright. So I was expecting what sweep of liquidity, break of structure, and FVG and what and the zone. And market did as I was expecting. So I was expecting a sweep of liquidity and price did that. This is my sweep of liquidity right here. I was expecting a break of for structure. Price did that over here. And I was expecting an FVG at this area. Alright? I was expecting an FVG at this area. And price also did that. And price gave me what? My beautiful zone at this area. Alright? So once I saw that, I was waiting for price to pull back at this area to mitigate what the zone, then what sell off. So as I was waiting, price did as I was expecting. Right? I saw this setup yesterday night and then I called a trade this early morning with my community members for free. Alright? So I entered at this area. Because of what? There was a pin bar. That's a pin bar entry. So price gave me what? A sniper entry, right? This is very massive. 36.29 RR. Who does that? 36.29 RR. Very, very simple strategy, a very, very simple entry, and very, very simple analysis. All right. So initially, I did here as well my tip one. Here was my tip one, and this was what my TP2. This is my TP2. And I had what a full TP, which gave me what the 123.4 pips. That's very massive. I love the price action. All right, the entry is very beautiful. The entry profit is very, very beautiful one. Nice price action. Wow, I wish I can catch all of this every day. I wish. I wish market is going to give me this nice price. So very, very beautiful one. All right. So this is how the setup works, or this is how the setup is formed. We have our high, we have our low over here. So you wait for your high, this high to be taken out. You wait for your low to be taken out. All right. So price will take out the high over here. We'll pull back again to take out what the low. All right. Once it does, that's going to form what a zone over here. Have you seen that? So you wait for pullback to mitigate what the zone. Then you enter what yourself. All right. Sometimes the price will never do this mitigation. Will fail to mitigate the zone to give you what liquidity. Once it gives you a liquidity. Sorry, once it gives you a liquidity, price will pull back to take out this liquidity, then mitigate the zone, then what sell off. All right. So this is the setup, and here is the setup. Have you seen that? So we have our sweep of liquidity here. We have a break of structure right here. We have an LDG at this zone. Price will pull back to mitigate the zone, but it will fail to mitigate the zone, selling out even with a liquidity. Once it's greater liquidity, will pull back to mitigate the zone over here. All right. Good. Sometimes the price will never give you this liquidity. It will just go straight to mitigate the zone right away, and that's why it happened on this chart. All right. A very, very beautiful one. A very, very beautiful one. It's a nice one. 123.4 pips. Very nice one. 36.29 hour. Alright. This is a nice entry. This is a nice setup. Alright, very, very nice one. Very, very powerful one, right? So that's it. That's it. Like I said, sorry for the cockroach and the best trip. Alright, I'm doing this recording outside my house because once I caught this train and hit my 50, I went out to play some TV game with my friends. Alright, so sorry for that. Sorry for that. Sorry for that. Alright, I hope you can learn something from this little tutorial I'm giving you out for free. Alright, so 123.4 pips profit. That's a target. Alright, so thank you. Thank you for listening. Me, alright, that's all.